In this video, I'm giving you the 5 signs that confirm that what you want is coming to you. It means you are on the right path of manifestation. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here, hi, I am AJ. I'm a law of attraction coach and I help people make their life awesome by using the law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because I'm sharing lot of amazing and awesome resources in using law of attraction and manifest your goals, desires and dreams. Now in this video, I'm giving you the 5 signs that confirm that yes, you are on the right path of manifestation and what you are desiring is coming to you. Because I know that many people who are applying the law of attraction and doing different tools and processes, sometimes they get these doubts like whether they are doing it right or wrong, or they are doing everything with so much of positivity and joy and so much of dedication, but whether they are moving in the right direction or not, whether they are really manifesting their goals, desires and dreams or not. And I do get so many requests from people from our awesome tribe who requested this video that AJ, you should make a video about some signs that can confirm that yes, we are on the right path. And here I am giving you the 5 top signs. You not necessarily have to have all these signs, but some of them can confirm that yes, you are on the right path. So the first sign is you regularly see and hear about what you want. It means you are on the sync with your desire and you start hearing or seeing things related to it, like other people are manifesting the same things or you keep hearing about the things. It can be about your dream job, it can be about relationship, it can be about manifesting a car, home, or manifesting money or business success, or anything and everything that you desire. So for example, if you are focusing on manifesting your dream job and you start hearing that people are manifesting their dream job, so it's a good sign for you. More and more stories you are reading, more and more people in your friend circle or people around you start hearing that they are getting their dream job, or you get to hear more about your dream company or dream profile. You heard that someone getting a job in that particular company, so it's a sign for you. Same way, if you are manifesting your soulmate or attracting your love of life, then you start getting the stories or start hearing about other people manifesting their soulmate, they are getting married, they are finding their love of life, or some of your close people sharing their happiness with you. Or if you are attracting your ex back, then you start hearing or reading stories that other people have attracted their ex back or love back and they are happy with it. Same way, if you are manifesting your dream car or dream home and you start seeing that other people are manifesting their dream car, dream home, or you start seeing your dream car on the road more often. So this is a big sign for you. It means you and your desire are in sync now. You and your desire started vibrating in the same frequency. Remember, you are an energy and your desire, those people, those things that you desire, everything in energy. And when this energy within you and energy inside that person or that thing, when that get connected with your thought vibration by following different processes and tools, techniques that you are using, when the bridge will be there, when the alignment will be there, that's where the manifestation happens. And before manifestation, you start hearing and seeing things about you happening more often. So this is one of the most common sign, and this is one of the most powerful sign that confirm that yes, you are on the right path. That's the point 1. That's the sign number 1. Now sign number 2, which is more about you start manifesting stepping stones to your desire and dreams. like you start getting the stepping stones. For example, you are manifesting your dream job, and when you think about your dream job and start focusing on it, you meet someone who works in the same company, or you got a call from a HR consultant who said like there is an opening in this organization, or even you get another job opportunity which may not be the exact dream job, but it is something similar to it. So it's like a stepping stone. Things started coming up in your path. Or you get an interview call, or you are growing your business, so you meet someone who can introduce you to someone else or give you some idea which you are going to implement or which is going to expand your business. Or you are attracting your ex or a lover or a crush into your life, then you start getting better with them. You connect back with them, you start getting a text or a call from them. The relationship may not be healed yet, both of you are not into the love relationship yet, but things started getting better. So it's like a stepping stone. You start moving in the direction. Always remember, you always go through a journey to reach the destination. It never happened that you are here and you just all of a sudden you appear here. Whatever path you choose, you go and reach there. So it's like you are going through some stepping stone. So that's the second sign. The third one, which is more about the inner thing, you just feel that it's happening. You are not seeing any physical evidence in front of you, but deep down you know that it's happening. So deep inner self, deep inner energy start feeling that yes, it's happening. You start having that joy, you know that it's about to happen. And you start feeling that excitement, you start feeling that joy. You have no physical evidence to validate it. And this is one of the very powerful things, because the inner vibration or energy can sense it faster than the outer senses. That's the thing always happened, and it always happened with me. Whenever I'm manifesting something, before manifestation, I know that it's happening. There is a point when I'm working and when I'm building up, and I know that it may take some time, but when it really get closer, I could able to feel that in my body, in my vibration, that yes, yes, yes. And then in next few days, or in next 1 or 2 days, or next 1 or 2 weeks, things pop up and things started happening so fast, so magically that yes, you know that within just a short span of time, it's yours. So that's the third point. You just feel that it's happening. And it is one of the big thing, because it's a great indicator that you have absolute faith in the universe and in yourself, that you are manifesting this dream. Now, fourth one, you are happier than before. And it is very much related to the third one. Why you are happier? Because you are 100% sure that it's happening. If you are not happier, it means you have doubts. And on this fourth one, you can do the shift. If you are sad or if you are not happy, then you have to shift your focus and you have to be happy, you have to be joyful, and you have to build your faith. When you build your faith, you feel happier, because when you feel happier, when you feel more happy, when you feel more joyful, when you feel more excited, means you are ready to receive from the universe. You are saying the universe, yes, 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 I am ready. I am ready to receive. I am getting it. So that's the fourth sign. Now the fifth one is, it's bit tricky, and it's an optional sign. And usually it happens with people when you are not yet become a very positive person. When you become a really strong, positive person who have absolute faith in universe, usually this thing won't happen after that. This fifth thing usually happens when you are very new into manifestation process and you have lot of resistance and negativities. And the fifth one is, which is very counterintuitive, that sometimes you find bigger blocks in manifestation. Everything was going fine and you feel that you are about to manifest, and all of a sudden one day you feel that nothing is working, or some big blocks come up which said that now it's not going to happen. or the person whom you are manifesting, all of a sudden everything was getting better and all of a sudden they said no, it's not going to work out, they are going to go away. Or you are going through the interview process and everything was happening, everything was working out, but all of a sudden the HR person said no, your profile went on hold, or things we are not going to offer this position, or things are going back, or we are not going to consider you. Or you have some big client who was ready to give you a big business, but all of a sudden they changed their mind and they said, oh, I've changed my mind, or we are doing something else, or we are not going to take it further. This happens sometimes with people. When this happens, many people, they give up. They give up. They get hopeless. Do not be hopeless when this fifth one come up. Remember, this is a strong sign that you are just about to manifest. It's only a test. It's only happening because you have been carrying some fears and doubt deep within, which were not showing up, but before the final manifestation, they come to the surface. That is why this biggest block came in front of you. And how can you tackle this situation? When many people give up, I want you to stay strong and hold up to your dreams just little more. You know what? The darkest hour of night comes just before the dawn. Yes, you heard me right. The darkest hour of night comes just before the dawn. It means sometimes when you are going through the night, sometimes in your manifestation process, everything was going fine, but just before the big manifestation, the biggest obstacle shows up and you feel like everything is gone. Do not give up. Hold up to that dream. You just need little more positivity, little more faith, little more strength. Stay there and the dawn will be there. The manifestation will be there. Initially, when I started with the law of attraction, this thing happened with me. I put all effort, everything, all practices, everything. And at the last moment, something came up which told me that it's gone. And I was shattered for a while. If I would have been my old self, I would have given up. But then I thought, what if the universe is testing me? What if the universe is testing me? Or what if the bit of negativities that is there within me coming up? I said, no, this thing belongs to me. This dream belongs to me. I hold up, and then after a few days, the things came back to me magically. And that was the thing I learned in my life. And most of the tips, techniques, processes, science that I give you in my videos are the things that I've experienced in my life, or I have experienced by teaching thousands of people around the globe in last many years. All these are proven techniques. So these are the 5 signs. Especially many of you need to remember the 5th one. When biggest block shows up, hold up to your positivity. Do not give up, because it's the darkest hour before the dawn. And if this point especially inspired you and it was an eye-opener for you, then let me know in the comment section that yes, AJ, I am not going to give up on the darkest hour, because I know that the dawn is there. And if you are going through a lot of challenges at this point, lot of sadness, lot of difficulties, then my friend, this is your darkest hour. Stay strong, keep doing the processes, keep affirming, keep doing the meditations, keep following the advice, tools, techniques that I'm giving you, and your manifestation is just around the corner. Now these are the major 5 signs. So along with these 5 signs, there could be a unique sign also visible to you, and which is like you are seeing repetitive numbers like 111, 222, 333, like this, repetitive numbers. And many of you ask me about this repeating numbers or repetitive numbers and keep asking like, AJ, what does that mean, or what is the significance? I will make a separate video on this repetitive number thing, but this is the one thing I want you to remember about these repetitive numbers. These repetitive numbers means they are in sync with the universal vibration and you. It means when you are seeing repetitive numbers means you are on the right path. You have to stay positive and you have to keep moving forward. If you are not seeing the repetitive numbers, it's absolutely fine. That's why I said the top 5 signs are the key. This is a optional sign, the sixth one is. But if you are seeing repetitive number regularly, then it's a good sign. So go forward. So my friend, these are the top 5 signs that are confirming that you are on the right path. You are on the verge of manifestation. Your manifestation is just around the corner. Stay on the path, stay positive, stay aligned. And if you are excited to learn more tools, techniques and processes to manifest your goals, desires and dreams, then you can join my WhatsApp program, Make Your Life Awesome, where I teach tons of magical tools, processes and techniques to apply in your life to manifest your goals, desires and dreams. And thousands of people have manifested their goals, desires and dreams, and now it's your turn. So do let me know in the comment section if this video has inspired you or if this video was useful to you, and keep manifesting your goals, desires and dreams because you deserve it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because there are tons of amazing videos coming up in next few days, and it's time for you to manifest your goals, desires and dreams. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ.